Listen to it. Sweet sound of big boots. Oh, we won't be far off making a bale. It's like a carpet. The mowers have done a fantastic job. Don't really know what to say about this one. Hi, morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Another day on the farm. Different job today. Currently got the tedder on, just turning out all the grass that I was cutting in the last video. If you watched it, if you haven't, go back and watch it because this will make more sense. So yeah, sun's just come out. Get this grass all turned out, get the sun on it. We'll start making a bit of hay. It's going to be a busy day today. We've got obviously this grass to turn now. We got some grass to go and rake up. We got some cows to move, one of which has got a bad foot, so we need to inject it. We then got to bale the grass we're going to rake up, get it back to the home farm, get it wrapped and stacked. There's only me, John and Dr. Phil today. Thank you for all the recent new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, it is completely free. There's a little button down below the video somewhere, and all it does is help me out and let more people see the video. So give it a like whilst you're there, and yeah, let's get on with some work. Just look at that. What a job. We've watched that all day. This row's working out perfect because we're moving grass onto stuff that's not got any on it. So that means all the grass is getting moved, none of it is sort of staying flat on the floor. Flick of the button, up she goes. Back into work again. The mowers have done a fantastic job here. We'll get out and have a look afterwards. We've only got that row there and that one left to go. John's gone to pick up the wrapper, so that just gave me a bit of a head start ahead of him. So we'll get the wrapper set up on this tractor after we finish raking. We've got another field to do yet. We need to get some trailers ready. We need to get them torn on the weighbridge so that they know the base weight, so that every time we run over with the bales, we've got an accurate bale weight. Yeah, then John will get baling. Me and the guys will pick up some bales. John will be a good one. This is just a little bit of short work on the end here. Let's get out and have a look-see. Sun is shining, wind is blowing. Perfect day for making silage. This will obviously dry a little bit more in the row until John gets here with the baler. And that is really nice stuff. You can see here on the floor a couple things. Firstly, look at that. It's like a carpet. The mowers have done a fantastic job. But you can also see this is all still green. It means the plant was alive all the way down to here. Which means that we're not including any sort of really stemmy, horrible stuff. All of this is nice and green and leaf. I mean, look at that. Sometimes with silage fields, once the silage has gone past the 3-leaf stage, the bottom leaf will start dying off, so grass plant will have 3 live leaves, and then once it starts growing a 4th on the top, the bottom one will die. And that's where you get some of these really white stubbles. So there's not a lot of value in that at all. That's just nothing really. Whereas all this green stuff, that is beautiful. I left the stubbles nice and long anyway, so this will grow back quick. You can see it's already started shooting overnight. Look at that. God. Here's the tractor on the rake. You guys have seen the rake before. Does a fantastic job. Best thing about these Pottinger rakes is that bogey wheel there. That sets the height so none of these tines ever dig in the ground. See, hardly any of the paint is gone off of these. Obviously they hit the grass all the time. You never disturb any earth. It helps leaving the stubbles a bit longer as well, so you got something nice to rake through. I said again in the last video, steering axle. It's also got some height adjustment on here, which you use the handle on the front here for, so you really can set it up perfectly. There's no excuse to be touching the ground with that rake. I don't have it in me to leave it behind. I just can't do it. How about this for timing? Here he is! The main man with big boots. Indicating left. You love to see it. You're indicating.
I'm always indicating. Because I don't know I'm indicating.
No, the buzz has been taken out.
Yeah.
I was going to put your wheels on for you, but they're already on. Some boy. I'll head that way.
I was going to call you up on the CB and say, maybe start it. I was like,
Yeah.
I can see what's started.
So I've started here. Now in stark contrast to the last field, it is rough as rats in here. Cattle have poached us one beyond belief. Whereas the last field we're in's only ever had sheep in. Never actually cut the last one before. Field I'm in now, we do silage it every other year and then cattle run in it as well. And this year they've just poached it, and it is, oh, it's rough. We're ticking along still, making some nice straight lines for John. So John's just over the hill there somewhere. He won't be very long, and then he'll be in here with us. I'll try and get the drone up when we're both in here, because that'll make some cool footage, won't it?
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and now I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
It all worked out to plan. We were both in the field together, got the drone shots. Oh, it was awesome. He's getting a lot of bales, is John. It'll be a bit of an afternoon of carting. Here we have exhibit A. Good solid bale in there, look at that. Good edge to edge net on there. Lovely shape on that one, John, well done. See, a lot of nice moist green silage. This is drying out nice in the bit of wind there is. There's so much clover, look at all that. That's just, it's a handful of clover. Listen to it. Sweet sound of big boots. Oh, he won't be far off making a bale. Oh, look at that. It's a fixed chamber, so there's no belts, it's all rollers. And it makes, I think it's a 4-foot bale it makes. Anyway, I haven't got time to be here looking at it. I've got stuff to do, so as Funky Father says, let's crack on. Right, he's running around like a headless chicken for 20 minutes, but the wrapper is now on the back of my tractor. Phil was down on the hard standing, so I'm trying to take the box off of the trailer, I think. John's actually finished baling, he's back in the yard, he's just having a bite of lunch. And we're getting there. Just going to set the wrapper up, and then me and Phil will disappear and get some bales. We're getting there. Just got to calibrate some trailers. So the Weybridge's all set up. I got the little blue trailer on growler there. Phil's tractor's here. Oh, there's Phil. It is warm. Should be combining, but we don't have a combine. Right, I need to put this trailer, AW, on Phil's tractor. Fergie's nearly in the way there. See if we can get on. Tractor on. Stop. That'll go green then when we can go forward again. Right, stopped again. Again, it's gone red there. I don't know if you can see it. Right. So that has weighed this tractor and this trailer. I have a base tear now. So what I'll do is I'll get out of the way somewhere. Turn it round. Reversing. Right, so we have a printout. We now know that the tractor and trailer combination that Phil has there weighs 9.82 tons empty. We can set it up with fobs so that every time you come, you press your fob and it deducts your tear from your gross, but we might end up putting the other tractors on other trailers and then it gets complicated. So we just got it in basic mode for today. Right, I'm loaded. We've already loaded Phil. He's gone back, so hopefully John's wrapping the first lot. But there was exactly 2 trailer loads in this field. Plus this one. Don't really know what to say about this one. Well, as he's not here to defend himself, we'll blame John. That's the fairest way, I think. Trailer's not got a lathe on the back, so we need the strap. We're only going the other side of those trees, but just to be safe, we'll put a strap around these back ones so they don't go anywhere.
Well, here we are, me and Josh at it again, working hard, bringing in bales. We're all much later than we'd hoped because it was such a dry June and then a very wet July, so we're doing this in August, so everything's putting up a bit, but never mind, we're cracking on with it like a good pair of base. I'll go and start setting up the next field for the next trailer.
The Dr. Phil segment, is it?
Yeah, it is, yes.
Well, I'll take these home.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah. I'll take these to John and then...
Are you tagged to do this one?
Yeah, I've torn this one, so if I weigh it, and then hopefully he's nearly done, I'll grab that trailer and meet you.
Yeah.
Weigh in. What do we reckon these will weigh then? I've got 11 bales on there. What do we reckon? I reckon they'll be 700 kilos a piece. So what would that be? 7.7 ton. Just gonna have a look. Right, so we were 7.23 empty with 15.4 full. So that is 8.2 tons. So they actually weigh more than 700 kilos, crikey. 8.2 divided by 11. Someone do some maths for me. It's about 750 kilos a piece. They're heavy, I know that much. This is the way to load trailers. One either side. Bales going on. Phil's squashing the last one in each side because he's got spikes that both fit inside the bale, whereas I have a proud spike one side. So I can't do that. So for example now, Phil will come around and put that bale in. I'll go around the other side, put a bale somewhere else. Phil's in his big massey, I'm in growler. We are getting it done. I haven't drive one-handed. So by the time Phil gets back with this, John would have finished with the other trailer. So we'll bring that back, we'll get the last few on. Job will be a good one. Lovely work. I was hoping to capture John wrapping some bales, but I'm a bit late. That stack there was where we put the green ones. So I think there was 25 that went on that stack. And then there was 56 blue bales that went on that stack. That's really good for us. Last year we only made 11 blue bales in total, just because it was so dry at the wrong time of year. So all this wet weather we had has been good for one thing, that is making some blue silage, because we do struggle to make that. Here's the main man. All alright?
Yeah, fine.
He comes with his wobbly mudguard.
Do you realise you only have one mudguard?
Yes. It goes nicely with the one wing mirror.
Yeah.
What is there?
Well, on my counter, I made it 52.
I'll make it 56.
I didn't count.
Right, another busy day on the farm. All done. Ready to go again in the morning. We've got lots of cattle stuff to do tomorrow, so we'll be busy again as soon as we're up. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Cheerio.